plans has been put together. We have had the first military plane travel from Accra to land in Volta region for the first time. Now you could hear 6 o'clock news here. And this for say Mahama they see here. Like my heart bled me say no, this cannot be fair. Vote for the amoye no, emu ankasa. Mudie. The amoye ne say mo dwen say mo ye asantefo ana mo ye akanfo mo it's your own development you are stunting. Somebody use your name. Told the whole world he has opened an airport for you. No flight flew there. You didn't question the man. Mr. Mahama, you said this airport was duly commissioned. Meanwhile, businessmen in Volta region cannot use it. So were you lying to us? Of course, mommy, you better take you off in the green book. Volta friend to me and Mr. Mahama say, what's the idea duly commissioned? Plain and two off. 2021, Nanado Dankwa by idea, Mahama Rio Airport. And I'm say, Papa, we have some money to no position. Or to no position and to me, Juma. So what the Mahama Betina presidents in the so I want to me, Juma. Planting for food and jobs. Eh, ya near the buy. Eban send ya near the buy. Oh, sena Mahama cry, and near general say ye bay. Ah, say. Oh, ya Koji who's getting now see a bay. Hey, Musa Koji ska. Some of planting for food and jobs. And I went to me anye. Dr. Bawumia was right. You people are indeed incompetent, Yampa. Makwajiska, when the bear planting for food and jobs, went to me anye. MPP buy on my ye, I on my ye. And we have for benefit, I have for benefit. Please, a man for buffer stock, a coso, buffer stock, a coso. And you want to come back? Yes, you want to come back because Ghana it is 8 years, 8 years. Ka ye be one by yeku, or lebo like a cho, Isaac J. Jimmy a woman wa. Kwasi assembly wo yemu. Ah, na Louis, o dwene ho a eto asum. Louis, assembly a make eto asum. Hey, o confirm free education yes ye na ye yo yate. Mo fa hu papers mra. Say yes I yo. Ye na try say ye the yes ye try say ye na ye ntuaka. Afei, Jena no pokwa agyeman. 2022. Ye bisa ne sa na manye free education a. Afei de wakase ne yeni ho aka de. Na yeni ho aka de we couldn't do it. What kind of government are you people looking for? Are you looking for a developmental government or you are looking for a government that will come and look for what the unknown in the party for only a few people be able to? Because the people was interchange same way. Now me pokwase de no, now me dream say NDC will hide their heads in shame. After the brouhaha they did with the Kaswa interchange and the Kwame Nkrumah interchange. Now me did say and common form and nimukura me yeden emetu. So I was surprised. Say after 36 months while they were in opposition, all of a sudden a Mahama project. Who could be say Mahama project was because there were Mahama Trimuso obey. Oh no person ye. I know person ye. Inti yam fam ayam fam and cause on a dream also obey. Why don't say Ghana yeah for pa? Ya no bi, eh? Sasa we message baby and saying sa de na me be start ya kapa. Ghana for muntie. Ya no bi. Life is funny. Ya no bi. Amono ne papa eye minister owoska. Ne papa mfana nko international school enkotua ska o. O se Nkrumah free education ni ko bi. Nyame so andi papa ya bro enu nti ene we be the president ema ne your former president aban bi ba no ka say the way awu nya akwanya edi ko school no mame mega na ni akola bia so sa opportunity no na Mahama gina o say free education ya 419 but ono akobi abe president na wo NDC need dinachi 2018 or see no deal was a scanner as a president here on fine free education. Na oye mame, oye papa, oye awo phone say free education e boa pa. Na ojina ho say sebe in prediasa. Se enye wo wa ban ne de aba. Na mo ho premo se chinchini a NDC mbrenti no. Charlie, life is very, very sad. Life is very sad. Now, let me focus on why I came here today. I came here today because of my Friends of Bawumia people. I'm gonna end soon, like I promised you. There's just a short thing that I want to do. Friends of Bawumia, NDC for Volta for I am president 29 years. And your president keku. Omo mama mu MPC a. Utie. Omo sanya die, womo sanya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, NDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the Volta region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop Volta region. Now John Mahama is promising Volta region people that, oh, this time when I come, I will pay attention to Volta region. Now men come free Volta. Now my junior Juma. And come Okasa ye na maji Mike Bisa says, say, can you account for us that Keta Sea defense money President Kufuor went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta? Please, can you account for that money? Mese me come here this near. And come Bisa Mahama say, Aden ye this sikama say, for be sea defense or boy ye buying. Nensio no yiria embechi amfa ye so amfa ye njapade amfa ye noba ye amfa ye niama. But NDC if we go Volta region etna se ena papa na ye this man say onfa ye sea defense na to yire nchemo etesa antomo no okoto mo 10 bucks. And konto local rice kura nanka local producers no enyes kadebi okoto long grain rice perfume rice 10 bucks oto esichire 10 bucks nkatie 10 bucks ye atoko esam kakra ene ye sardine box 20 ene ye ayi omeka ne say sheto omde gu jelly kan mu ene ye de gare eno so no boto no be 10 because ye hu se mo no gele ne fata mo gele soakings no efata mu nti no ye de mo 10 bucks pe gele no ye de be 100 bucks na ba ye mu fa bi nkoka ayini. After this man spent your money when you were in need, when the water has taken your property, he came there, brought these items, which is a chicken feed to John Dramani Mahama. Compared to the money he has, what he brought there, chicken feed. Now man who the before me call horse Adan said, dear near the ma ye di you. In Mahama, welcome Wezolo, Iwezo, Iwezolo, in Mahama Wezolo, Mahama Wezolo, Egba. Now, Mrs. Ah, and more back, Egba. Hey, Ghana. Ha! You're serious in Ghana. Aqua way out Bokrono and to say, I'm a mo and ya, Modeja, Tessa, who charge a jaw. Okofa gele 10 bucks 20 bucks na emo 10 bucks ba ya mujina ho akwose shahwani afita be gina say Mahama Wezolo Iwezolo egba na me hwe mo sa na mo se no ano no sa Volta ho ne de agi se nyame aba mutie Volta region ho no today I'm saying it on authority me, and I have no vendetta against voters. For the people who know where I grew up, you know Voltarians are my people, and this is a fact. But say what na ho kwesi bi na obi a ono sika na ese so de bon ho ban